Hey YouTube, it's me, Mike, just taking a video of this 500 gallon container Poseidon Prime video. Basically, you know, this is the biggest one I've done yet, due to the fact that the customer is only going to be brewing, he's going to be brewing different quantities at a time. So right now he has it set at 300 gallons instead of 5, but as you can see up top, you'll see the fitting where he can actually attach that and he can get up, you know, brew more later on. All he has to do is cap off the other outlet and connect his pipe up to that one up top. It's the same design backbone as the Poseidon Prime, and there's a few differences on this one here. The main part of the manifold is all the way on the bottom, so if for any reason anything needs to be replumbed or changed, you can actually cut off this valve, cut off that valve there, and now you can actually release the water through this valve here, and it empties all the water below, so you don't have to worry about emptying your tank in order to replumb something. And once you replumb, you can go on and open your valves back up and you're flowing again. It's being driven by a commercial Air 7 pump for right now. It is proven to be plenty enough air to circulate the liquid, and it has the air manifold that goes above the water line, making it so you don't need a check valve. You can sit your pump down just like in the Poseidon Prime video. The name of this farm is, what's the name of this farm here?
Raffland Elohe Family Farms.
Raffland Elohe Family Farms. And this is the gentleman that owns the farm, Donald Stokes. Say hi, Donald.
Hi. Hello.
He's pleased with the brewer, and it's taken us a good amount of, you know, a good amount of time to get it built. Like I said, it's the first one that I built that was this big, so there was a little bit of trial and error, and we got it going. So we're wrapping it up, and this is it. And at the end of the video, we're going to show you the Vortex. And also, one thing I didn't mention was with this brewer, if you have chlorinated water or anything like that, or you just wanted to have a bubbler for compost tea, you can close this valve here, leave that valve down there open. The air line that comes in will travel up, hit this ball valve when it's closed, revert itself back and back up into the tank, and it will create a bubbler. And you can also do that for your chlorinated water, just so you can dechlorinate it before you decide to brew any compost tea. So this is, like I said, this is a 500 gallon tank. It gives him the ability to do 400 plus gallons in this tank. So yeah, and like I said, it's Vortex Mike, and we're out of here. All right.